Becoming a mother is one of the utmost wishes of a woman. Proper nutrition during pregnancy is extremely important for both the mother and the baby. While all the nutrients are important, best foods for pregnancy are high in vitamins and minerals that play a major role in fetal growth and development. These include folic acid, iron, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. So in this video, we will discuss about 10 foods that are worthy of eating during pregnancy. Number 1. Dairy products. During pregnancy, women should take extra proteins and calcium to meet the needs of the growing fetus. Dairy contains two types of high-quality proteins, including casein and whey. It is the best dietary source of calcium and provides good amounts of phosphorus, vitamins, magnesium, and zinc. Although people with lactose intolerance cannot take milk, they may still be able to have yogurt and cheese, as they contain lactic acid rather than lactose. Number 2. Legumes. This group of foods includes lentils, peas, beans, chickpeas, soybeans, and peanuts. Legumes are excellent sources of fiber, plant-based proteins, iron, folate, and calcium. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods to eat during pregnancy. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for the development of baby's nervous system. In addition, salmon is a good source of iodine, quality proteins, and many essential vitamins and minerals. If possible, always try to take wild salmon over farmed salmon for maximum benefits. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs contain almost every nutrient you need. One large egg contains about 80 calories, high-quality proteins, fat, and many vitamins and minerals. They are a great source of choline, an important nutrient during pregnancy. Eggs are cheaper and easy to prepare in a variety of ways. However, it is important to cook the eggs properly to prevent foodborne infections. Number 5. Fresh water. Well, some people might ask, is water a food? Whether it is a food or not, increased intake of water is essential to a pregnant woman. During pregnancy, blood volume increases by about 45% to supply hydration to the fetus in order to deliver the nutrients. In addition, drinking plenty of water will prevent dehydration and constipation and reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. Number 6. Lean meat. Lean beef, pork, and chicken are great sources of high-quality protein. Beef and pork are also rich in iron, choline, and other B vitamins. Number 7. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. They are also a great source of folic acid. In addition, avocados are rich in many other important nutrients, including potassium and vitamins K, C, and B6. Finally, avocados are rich in fiber, which helps relieve constipation. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains are loaded with fiber, B vitamins, and magnesium. Oats, barley, brown rice, and quinoa belong to this group of foods. Some whole grains like oats also contain little amounts of proteins too. Number 9. Dark vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach are rich in fiber, vitamin C, K, A, and folate, calcium, iron, and potassium. These vegetables are also known to reduce the risk of low birth weight. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A within the body. They also contain fiber, antioxidants, and B vitamins, including biotin. Moreover, regular consumption of sweet potatoes is associated with better eye health, improved heart health, and better weight control.